Hey, this is Portnova. Today I'm going to give you a great opportunity. If you have a self-hosted WordPress website, we are going to give you the opportunity to get one of our powerful WordPress plugins called My Content Creator Pro, okay? This thing is incredible. We have 474 different niche topics in this WordPress plugin. We have over 160,000 articles in this WordPress plugin. Literally, if you are looking to make your WordPress website full of great content in pretty much almost any single niche, My Content Creator Pro is for you. It is incredible. We just did some major updates, and what we want to do is we want to pass it on to you and give you a great opportunity to save big time. My Content Creator Pro right now is a one-time payment, okay? But we cannot keep it as a one-time payment because we are going to keep making it better and better and better. And when you do that, you actually need to spend more money. So if we're giving a one-time payment, then we can't really give you the best product. So that's why, big companies out there, you buy that one version, and then when the next version comes out, you pay for it again. What we're going to do is today, for the next, probably at least next 2 weeks, we're going to give you the opportunity to get a one-time payment. If you're watching this video and it's after that time, we've probably already changed over to the yearly subscription model. But to be very honest with you, we did it yearly. We were going to do it monthly, but we thought, maybe that's too much for people. So we just thought, hey, we'll just do it, yearly, and we'll keep the prices very low so you can, have a great product and you can keep getting new features from us because, we have access to the funds that we can actually keep developing this plugin and making it better for you for your WordPress website. Even this is something that you can even use too on sites like Fiverr or Freelancer or any of those type things, Upwork, whatever, and you can actually sell the articles too. And I'm just going to show you some little basic things. If you want to go more in depth and learn more, you can come to this website right here. Our website, there'll be a link below this video that you can watch the videos. You can come over to the training videos right here and you can look at more. I just want to show you the power of this, and I want to show you the 474 different categories of different topic niches. You're going to be blown away by this. So, and then what I'm going to do too is below this video, I'm going to put a promo code, coupon code basically, that you can save $20 off the price right now. Okay, that promo code will be after about the next 2 weeks or 30 days will be gone. Like I said, this is just a one-time thing that we're doing, really just to help people get this in their hands, and also too to get more people to use this WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro, so we can get more input from you guys on different features and different things that could really help you have greater success at building your business. Either selling articles, doing your own websites, building websites and selling them to customers, whatever it is you want to do with it. But like I said, today you can get a lifetime access to it, one-time payment, and we'll also let you save $20. There's 2 levels. There's the pro version and the elite level. But let's get started. Enough of me of talking about the beginning part, okay? So what you would do is once you get the the plugin, you're going to go in, and like I said, you can go on the website and you can look at the how-to videos, and it'll show you how to install it. It's super, super easy. If you know WordPress and you've installed other plugins, it's that simple, okay? So what I'm going to do is you just scroll down here. You can see My Content Creator Pro, okay? So just click on that. You can see my name right there, Portnova. My business partner is Mike Murphy, so this information will be added right there too. What you do is you just come right down here, all right? Click on Auto Creation or Auto Content Creation. Then what you can do is you can see this right here. You can actually search for videos, and you can also search for images too, so it's pretty cool. But today we're just going to talk about the articles, okay? The article search. So right here, this is what you can do. You can scroll down here. You can see right here, you can see like ATV, accounting. You can see acid reflux, acne, addiction, AdSense, adult, advertising, adware, spyware, affiliate articles, affiliate marketing on the internet. You can just see right here, they're all in ABC orders from A to Z. But if you just scroll down, literally, there's 474 right now. In time, we'll probably add more, but right now we have 474. There is no other WordPress plugin, content creation software out right now that has this many different niche topics. There's none. I've looked. If you want to, you can go to different PLR websites and buy articles, and you can end up spending literally hundreds, if not thousands of dollars when you can get access to extremely high quality articles that have been written by great English speaking writers about these particular topics. So literally you can choose to go that route and spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, or you can decide today, especially if it's still, on sale for the one-time payment, and save a ton of money, okay? So you can just scroll down here and you can just see all these here, okay? Dance, data recovery, dating, debt consolidation. You can see that dental, depression. Just look at all those. 474 total, okay? You will not run out of any information. You will not run out of, articles to take and do what you please, okay? So let's just go in here. So what I'm going to do is, let's just click on tennis, okay? So we're just going to type in TENNIS, okay? And then we'll click search right here. And you can see them right here, okay? So let's just say we want to select this one, the brief history of the table tennis, okay? So let's click right here. We click on save. All right, it's clicked on save. Then what we can do is we can come up here to import results. Okay, here it is. So you can click right here, add to post. Okay. Now what we can do is let me just close this out right here. So we click on this right here. Let me just refresh this here for a second. And what we can do is, it says already added because we clicked on it to add it to the post. So we can just come right up over here. And you can see right here, we'll click on that, go under your posts. Let's clear this out here. You can see the subject line right here. You can see the ad body right here, okay? So what you can do is you can actually take this article right here. Let's just copy it. So we're going to copy this right here. And then what I want you to do is, let's see here, I'm going to open up another window here. We're going to go back over here, My Content Creator Pro. We're going to go over to the article generator. And what we can do is you can either take the article the way that it is, right here, okay? And you can take the title, okay? So I'm just going to go like this right here. So let's just go there, put a couple lines. Then let's get the subject line right here. And then what we can do is we can copy this right here, the title to the article. We can paste that right up here, and then we can spin it if we want. I'm just going to select this right here so I have a copy of it. Then you can click spin right here. Okay. And like I said, if it doesn't have a good way of changing this particular part, it's not going to change it. It's not going to change certain specific words. But what it's going to do is it's going to spin it so it reads well, and it's going to be different than the article that you first got. So no one's going to have, the same article as you if you want to do it that way. If you want, you can just sell the articles the way they are. You can post them on your website the way they are. Like I said, you can develop them and put a website together and sell them to your clients, whatever you want to do. And then what you can do is you can download as a PDF, or you can clear this out, and you can go right here and clear all this out and then start over. You can post the new version to your site. You can come right over here, like I said, and copy it, or you can go right here and download. So we'll just say this as, I'm just going to do test. So we'll just call it test. I'm not going to upload an image or anything. Like I said, you can watch the videos on that. So let's clear that stuff out. So here it is. So you literally have a PDF from that. And what you can do is you can find other articles and you can paste them. Let me go back over here. You can paste these articles right in here, okay? And you can literally put yourself together a free report, a free ebook, whatever it is that you want to do. And, you can give these away to build email lists, or you can just, give them away to your subscribers, as just something for free. Okay, so let me go back to the site right here, okay, to My Content Creator Pro. I just showed you like a really simple little overview of, what it is, and let me go back over here again. I just wanted to show you, how you have access to all this right here. Just like I said, scroll here, you can find anything, okay? Just click on cooking. You don't always have to even put a word there if you just want to do, just search for cooking, but you can specify maybe different, styles of cooking and all that kind of stuff and be more targeted. But you can just click on cooking right there, and then it will pull up all the articles right there too. And like I said, then you can click right there and you can make posts. But it's so easy. And then if you want to, right off the bat, you can click spin, and it will spin those articles before it even posts, okay? So, My Content Creator Pro WordPress plugin that is actually powered by WordPress, your self-hosted WordPress website. Today, like I said, you can get this for a lifetime one-time payment. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down here, okay? You can see our prices here. We have a pro version and elite version, okay? It says right now as a one-time payment. This is going to change, like I said, to yearly, but the prices are going to stay the same, meaning this right here is going to turn from one time to from 47 to one time, or I mean to yearly at $47 a year, okay? And then this one the same way. This will be not anymore a one-time payment of $97. It will just be $97 a year, okay? And like I said, we will be adding more features. That's where we can get more information from you guys. We'll be connecting this up to Spin Rewriter too. Then there's going to be a grammar service that we're going to set up with that also, that you'll be able to put your information in there once you have those services, and you'll be able to spin the articles through Spin Rewriter and through a different grammar type service that will actually make sure your articles grammar is correct, so things really look good. So we want to make sure that you have the best access with the best tools. And like I said, our biggest update is we made the this WordPress plugin, My Content Creator Pro, faster, easier to use, and it's so simple and so many opportunities. But the biggest thing we did is we added a huge database of new articles with 474 different niche topics, okay? That is huge. You're not going to find that anywhere else. And like I said, you can go to PLR websites and you can buy all of those articles if you want, but you will be spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and probably close to $10,000 to get how many we have in here, okay? And like I said, we have over 60,000 articles in here with 474 different niche topics, okay? So if you're excited about this and you want to save $20, below this video there'll be a link to the website. There'll be a code that you can actually save $20. So this will knock this down to $27. And this will knock this down, obviously down to $77. So what you want to do today is take action. And the great part about this is once you make this one-time payment, you're going to have access to it for a one-time fee, basically. And as we come out with the new versions and all that, and everybody else is paying the $47, a year, or $97, you will only pay for it once. But like I said, this is October of 2021. At the end of this month, it's going to go to the yearly, subscriptions, okay? I really hope you enjoyed the videos. Like I said, the video, if you have any questions, look through, any of these frequently asked questions, okay? If you have any other kind of questions, you can go over here and you can look at our training videos. Just click right there. Just click right there. And you can see right here, just scroll down and you can actually see, how to install it, different things about it, okay? This video right here has changed. Like I said, we used to show things differently like that. Now it just goes, you just click on it like I was showing you right here. You just click on it right here and you can see them all in front of you, okay? So that part has changed. And then if you have any other kind of questions, of course, you can come up here to our Contact Us, fill in your name, your email address, your subject line, and your message right here. Click Submit, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. But like I said, we are so excited, my business partner Mike Murphy and I, about My Content Creator Pro and how we've made it even better. And we're excited to hear from you guys what you think of My Content Creator Pro and all your great ideas and features that you think would be great for the plugin that we can add for you, so you can have great success at building your business and using Content Creator Pro for many years, and beyond. That can really help you out a lot. So like I said, if you have any kind of questions too, below this video too, in the comment area, you can just post them there, and we'll be more than happy, to get back to you and really help you out with any of the kind of questions you have. Thanks again for watching this video. This is Portnova, and on behalf of my business partner Mike Murphy, we'd like to thank you again for watching this video, and we're very excited to work with you for the years to come. Thank you so much. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.